Welcome to another live trade session. Today's Monday, start of a new week. I believe price is taking out all this buy side liquidity. It's going to come down to take out these equal lows down here by trading up into this fair value gap and then trading lower. And that's the NQ chart. This is the ES chart. ES looks like it's going to take out buy side once again. Although ES has three equal lows right down here on the 4 hour. 1, 2, 3. Then we have more equal lows right here. And then we have more equal lows right here. So we have a ton of liquidity. But we're gonna have to wait until we see a strong movement to the downside before entering. Because right now, price is very bullish. Just broke another high. But we'll come back when it's 10. And this also just invalidated my theory. So now there's an inverse fair value gap there. And yeah, we'll come back when it's 10. It's 1 minute till 10. Price is respected this inverse, I would say. If I wanted to take a short, I would want to see price break below this low though. Honestly, it's so high in premium. I would want to take a long trade, right? That takes out the sell side, and then continues higher. Or I can trade the manipulation leg that takes out sell side. So short term bearish, long term bullish. We should oh, there you go. Price broke below. Now a short setup here. It's actually a pretty good trade.
Order filled.
Risking 0.5 on this trade. Just let it run. Now price respecting this little 1 minute order block is a good sign that it's likely going to go higher. But I'm trading the manipulation leg to the downside. Now you could argue that it already swept this sell side right here and is now going to continue higher. And if that's the case, I'm just simply wrong about my trade. And that's all. Looks like this trade will turn out to be a loss, which I'm completely fine with. I followed my rules. I entered what I believed was a possible entry to the downside, and I'm going to wait for myself to be stopped out. If price gets below this, back into my entry, I'll put my stop loss at break even. But price has to break this low right here. MQ was more bearish than ES today. Is it something else to note, which is why I take this on NQ instead. Looks like price is going to respect the fair value again. And right now it's generating some highs for it to take out which I don't particularly like. Alright, I'm gonna Alright, looks like I'll just let this trade run. The reason why I didn't move stops to break even, which I usually would, is because there's a fair value gap here that price can trade up into and then react lower, which I don't want to limit myself. And I'm fine with a $150 loss if that's not the case. So it's a clean 1 to 2, 150 for 350. And if I lose, it's completely fine with me. Check out ES. Strong dump. Now ES has these clean equal lows to target, whereas NQ doesn't have as clean of equal lows, but it does have equal lows down here, which is what I'm targeting. Let's see how price reacts off this fair value gap. I want to see it trade up into it and then move lower. Alright, from the looks of it, price generated sell side damn, I'm just gonna remove this real quick. Price generated these lows, which were sell side liquidity, took out sell side, and is now up to take out buy side. That's what I see. Since price has basically filled this entire fair value gap and is now going to trade into this small little fair value gap here. And if it reacts to the upside, I'm likely stopped, which again, I'm okay with. Alright, this trade is taking quite a while, but looks like it's generated an equal low. And it's taken out those lows. Might take profit down here. I could take a partial here, but it kind of ruins my RR, so I'm not going to do that. I'm still fine with a $140 loss. But you know, one would be nice instead, but you don't always get what you want. However, I just think these equal lows are price's real target for now. The further price goes down, the further I tighten my stop. Basically, if price take out sell side, comes back up, it's probably just going to take out this high. So there's no point in having my stop up here if my trade is invalidated earlier on. So if price takes out this high right here, my trade has already been invalidated. So I can already set my stop loss to this high right here. There's no reason for price to trade up here if it wants to continue going lower. So that's how I manage my trades. That's how I keep scaling my stop loss. And so now price has taken out more sell side liquidity and has left these equal lows untouched. So what do I think price is likely going to seek out? These equal lows. This trade actually looks like a good long to the upside, taking out all this buy side liquidity. So I'm likely going to be stopped here, which is fine. Break even trade.
Order filled.
We've been stopped at break even. I'm pretty happy about this trade, though I have to comment that this long right here is actually a good setup. This is a great setup for longs, targeting all these resting highs. Regardless, this is my trade for Monday, July 8th, and I'll catch you guys later. Roblox out.